Before we get started, subscribe to my channel and also hit the like button. I'm going to show you how to put multiple videos on one screen, especially if you're videoing with your phone. And you know it don't take up the whole screen, it takes up about 1/3 of the screen. So I'm going to show you how to play the videos and make them play at different timings. It's pretty simple to do, but pay close attention to this video. But first you want to go to your insert, and I'm going to click over here on video. And I got a couple of videos here on my desktop. So we're going to take this video, and you see how it takes up about 1/3. I'm going to move it here, and I'm going to go to insert again, video on my PC, and I'm going to take this one, and I'm going to go to insert again on my PC. I'm going to take 3 different videos. I'm going to slide this one over here. Okay, on this first video, I'm going to go here. I'm going to go to my animations. And I like to do this animation playing. And this right here, the triggers, I'm going to just remove these. If somebody could tell me what they're for, leave a comment below. I don't use them. So first I'm going to click on this first video. I'm going to hit play, and you see it named it as 1. Then I'm going to hit on the second video. It's already on play. The third video on play. So video, let's get it. Okay, this is video 3. But I want to make it the first video. Just come up here, just change it right here. Click on this video 2 and video 3. Okay, I'm gonna trim these so I can make it shorter. So you click on the video, you want to right click and hit trim. We're gonna do it like on this one. Let's go about 5 seconds. As you can see right here, say 5.686. Hit OK, and I'm gonna click on the next video and right click, and I'm gonna trim it, and I'm gonna do it a few seconds. Let's say 3 seconds. I'm gonna hit OK, and you can click on this one, third video, right click, hit trim, and I'm gonna trim it and let it play. I'm gonna let this one play for about 10 seconds. It's a cool little dancing video from a guy named, we call him Knee High. He's not that tall, but you can check out his video. As you can see, I'm gonna click on this one, and I'm gonna have it to play with previous. So when I start the PowerPoint, it'll automatically start playing. I'm gonna click on this one. I'm gonna hit play at the previous. Then I'm gonna click on this. I'm gonna hit play at the previous. Okay, so check this out. I'm gonna do a preview. And you notice everything is playing at one time. And I didn't want it to do that. I thought it would play at the previous. But I'm gonna show you what's happening. Say I'm gonna click on this video, and you go over here and you can do the drop down, go to your timing. And under your timing, go to effects, and make sure that this right here is clicked at the current slide. Hit OK. And then go on the next one, which is 2, and go to timing. And also do that also. And you want your third video, click here, go to timing, go to effects, and after current slide, and hit OK. Now check it out. I'm gonna do a preview. Okay, let's go back. and make sure everything's set okay. This one is with previous. This one accidentally went to previous, but just go back to after. Then you come here and make sure it's on after. Okay, we're gonna do a preview again. As you can see, this one's gonna play. Then a few seconds later, this one's gonna play. And then you're gonna see number 3 play after that one. And that's pretty much it. Say for instance, I go here and I trim it. And I change my time. We're gonna go to 1 second and hit OK. You know it's automatically changed here. So watch, I'm gonna do the preview again. So your start time automatically changed on your trim time. This video right here is gonna play for like 1 second. And there you go. If this video helped, subscribe to my channel and have a great day. Thank you.